for the TUB. Don't get me in it.
I'm gonna open this one now. Mommy, I want to open this one.
Okay. Yeah, open that one.
Look, a bow. I found a bow. Look at a bow.
So pretty. You know what this says right here?
Miranda.
Miranda, that's right.
I'm gonna open my present. I'm gonna open my present.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened to Halo over there?
Oh, you got it.
I love to open these.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the pretty dishes and bowls.